So, check this out. This was a gift from my friend Mama D, the one I'm always talking about. Saw her today at her tarot practice. I was working in the shop today. And she had her group meeting, so I sat in with them. We exchanged decks. I gave her a couple to give away to her students, and she presented me with the mystical Lenormand deck. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. I have Lenormand decks. I haven't really looked at this one. Okay, it looks... Getting to know the cards, combo spreads, general meanings. Oh, and the grand tableau. Okay, that's the great big giant one. So, one thing I noticed about these, there you see the backs. They're playing card size. Now, is this as low as it'll go? Yep, this is as low as it'll go. Okay. Here, it has the number of the card. It doesn't have the name of the card. This is the writer, but it does have the planetary association with it. So that's pretty darn cool, because I use a lot of astrology. So the writer... the clover, the ship. This is going to be a quick video. The house, tree, cloud, snake. Aren't these nice cards, though? These are definitely my kind of Lenormand deck. Coffin. The flowers. Or is that a bouquet? Can't remember. Let's see. Card number 9. I think it's the flowers or the lilies. Flowers. Yeah, I was right. The scythe. Which one is this? Card number 11. The whips. Oh, okay. I'm so used to my favorite Lenormand deck. Look at this one. I know them by sight, but I guess I got kind of used to that deck. Okay, birds. Child. Fox. Bear. The stars? This is what happens when I don't. Yeah, that's the stars. The stork. The dog. The tower. The garden. The mountain. Which one is this? This is paths. Oh, the crossroads. Oh, okay. Mice. I love this deck. Look at this. I love these cards. Okay, so what is this one? If this is... I don't have my glasses on. What the heck is that? Oh, ring. Duh. Ah. And book. Letter. The man. Oh, he's got a mongoose like Ricky Tikki Tavi. The woman. And let's cheat and look. Lilies? I don't like that representation. I like the card, but it's not what I'm used to seeing, you know? The sun. The moon. Key. I like that inside the dragon egg. That's cool. The fishies. The anchor. And the cross. Yeah, it would have to be the cross, wouldn't it? Okay. Well, what do you guys think of this deck? I love it. I can't wait to use it in reading, so I'm going to cleanse it tonight. And I may end up doing a special live this week just so I could use this deck. All right. Thank you, Mama D, for this lovely gift. I appreciate it, and I promise to put it to good use. There we go. Put it back inside. Oh, that's who. AGM. And that's who put this deck out. All right, you guys, tell me if you have used this deck, if you like it, if you don't like it. Okay, one thing I forgot to say is this has, in addition to the planets. Oh, I thought it did. I was wrong. Never mind. Forget what I was about to say. All right, you guys, I will see you on the next video, which should be tomorrow because I've got a deck coming in the mail. It should have been here today, and I was really bummed that it wasn't. It's the Alice Wonderland Shadows from Ethereal. So stay tuned, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.